The question says which option will complete the series given in the problem figure. Again, this is a very common type of question which is asked in Olympiads. So here you have been given a series of figures with a blank portion. So the figures follow certain rule, and by that rule you have to figure out which of these options A, B, C or D goes correctly into the question mark. So you see over here the very first figure over here, you can see that it has got two small figures. Both figures are made of arrows, you can see. So when you go from the first figure to the second figure, we can see that this whole portion has tilted from this position to this position. That means it is rotating, it seems to be rotating in counterclockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Again, the direction is over here. Yes, this color is over here and this color is over here. So you can correctly, by observing carefully, you can see that the figure has somewhat rotated in anti-clockwise direction. As you go from second figure to the third figure, you see that from this direction the figure has rotated to this particular direction. So this portion has come over here and this colored portion has come over here. So from here in first figure to here in second figure to this horizontal position in the third figure. So in the fourth figure, definitely our figure should be directed in this position. So here, and now over here this should be the direction. So if you rotate like this, you can see that this portion, you can see that if you look for this particular position, you can figure out that this looks good and no, this doesn't looks good. This looks good. Now you check for this color with this particular size shaped arrow. You can see that this has gone over here. And we can see that no other figure it comes close to B, and if you rotate this figure in this particular direction, you can check that this definitely results in this particular figure. So option B is the right answer and option B fits into this question mark correctly. Now for the last figure, you can see that if you go from this portion to this particular direction, it will definitely result in the last figure. So if you tilt this from this to this position, then it will result in this particular option D. So option B is the right answer. So this has been a very easy question, and such questions also do appear. Many students get confused after watching such series of figures, but a diligent practice will make you more confident in solving such type of easy questions. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you.